In this video, we're going to look at how we add in images to our HTML. So for this activity, we're going to create a new file called page2. We did previously create a link for it, but it doesn't exist at the moment. So the steps I'll go through again, but these are listed way back in lesson 1. So what we do is from the top of our page, I might just make this bigger so we can see it properly. You've got the file, and we go new text file. Well, as you can see, you can press Control N on the keyboard. So file, new text file. And as always, the first thing we do when we create a new file is we want to save it straight away. So we're going to call this page2.html. And again, it's important about the file name, the .html, to tell the browser it's a HTML file. But page2 is important as well, because that's what we've linked to in our other. So page2 without spaces. Obviously, if you've put a space in the index.html, I'd get rid of it, or alternatively, you can put it in here. But I'm going to leave it because I want page2 to look like this. So page2.html. Right, again, just double check that your file name here matches what you've written here. All right, if it's different, change one or the other. This one's probably easier. So in page2, we're going to put in our image. So it does give us an image to add. I'm going to type img. So this is our image tag. And then src is for source. So if you take out the vowels in the word source, that's what it looks like. And then this one is quite long. So this is an exception to the rule that I always talk about making sure that you type everything out. This one is quite long, so I will allow you to. So I'm just going to copy it from the Qlearn course. Actually, should probably show this on the camera. So activity 2, so this part here inside the quotation marks is what we're copying. All right, I'll just move that back out of the way. See it in the browser. And then Control V to paste is the shortcut. You can go to edit and paste that way too. But I'm sure most people know Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Okay, so this is the website where we're accessing this picture from. All right. So after that, I just forgot there is a bit we still need to add. So we've added the source, but we also need to add in the alternate text. So alt is short for alternate text. And this basically gives us what the image is supposed to be. All right, so in this case, we should see a cup of coffee on the screen when we run this in our browser. All right, so if I close off the tag, you'll notice there's no end tag for image. And that's because we don't put anything inside of the tag. It's a self-sufficient tag. It's just linking to a picture, and the browser knows we just want to show the picture. So it's pretty smart like that. All right, so let's hit save. So Control S on the keyboard. And then if we right click and open with the live server, let's pop up the page again. You can see there my cup of coffee. Okay, I just worked out an issue from before. So we've got our picture of our coffee. So I suppose if, for example, we accidentally break this link, and again, this is why we probably want to paste it. If we make a mistake in here, if I go back and refresh, you'll see we get a broken image icon on screen, and then it says coffee. So that's that alternate text that we've created. So this tells me, oh, there's an error with my image link for my coffee. So I can fix that, save it. And then when I refresh, we've got our coffee picture back. So that's one way we can add in an image, is by linking to another image online. All right, we may also want to get an image that we've got saved on our computer or saved within our website to be more accurate. All right, so again, if we have a look at the QLearn course, I'll bring it back up on screen. There's actually a picture of a banana here that we've used as a demonstration for how to download the pictures from the internet, or sorry, not download, but link them to our website through their site on the internet. But what we can do as well is we can actually save this and upload it from our system. So what you can do is if you right click on the banana that's in the QLearn course, and we go save image as. Okay, so we need to then go to the same folder where we've been saving our web pages. So practice. All right, and I'm going to just rename this banana.jpg. So you don't have to do the JPG, but it is good practice to make sure you've got the right file name. All right, and so you'll see that's popped up in my downloads as being downloaded. All right, if I go to my folder, see I've got banana.jpg in there with index.html and page2.html. Once I have that, I can go in and add another image, source equals, and this time we're just going to say banana, and you can see Visual Studio Code automatically recognizes it, which is pretty handy. Oops, made a mistake there. All right, our alternate text, pretty simple. It's just going to be banana and close out. So got page2.html. We should probably give that a test. That's the wrong window. One, there it is. So all right, refresh. So we've got our coffee, and then underneath, massive picture of a all right, so two different ways of displaying our images. All right, and then you can see a little activity there is to find another image with Google Images and put it on the index.html and link it to your page2.html. All right, so that's how you add images into your HTML document.